Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 3D text like on screen right here, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So this is going to be the kind of 3D text, the project file I will be working on. This is the cover I did for a year. Let me know if you guys want a little breakdown of this. I'll definitely do that. It's just mixed media. I've really been fucking with this style. I have a mixed media pack using everything in it just to get this whole kind of style. But yeah, I'm going to be going over how you can make some 3D text. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So we're going to be using Cinema4d for the text, and I'm going to have a free download link to the project, like this whole file, so you guys can literally just get it, you know, use the text, same settings, whatever I use, and yeah, just make it easier for you guys to actually use. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and literally all you gotta do is come over here, go to text, click on this text button. Don't click here on the extrude. This is to, you know, mess around with the, you know, 3D of it. But go to the text. You want to, you know, type in your text. I'll just do test. Boom, like that. And then right here, go to font. You can get a random font. I'm gonna just use this one. And you know, you can use these tools on the left just to, you know, mess around with it. So you can position it, get the rotate tool, you can rotate it a bit like that, just mess around with it, bring it up a bit. So there are materials and shit, like different colors and shit you can look online, get a few of them. I'll probably put some in the Discord as well, but I just kept it like this, a little plain, and it came out pretty nice for the actual cover art. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead, once you are happy with the positioning and shit, you want to go ahead, you want to go to the settings here, you want to go to save, and then you want to change this. So you want to go to your file location, and then go to your desktop or wherever you want to put it, just type in the file name and save it. Then what you want to do is you want to click this little play button up there, and then it's going to render out. I'm going to cancel that because it's already rendered out. And then you're going to get something like, let me show you guys what it looks like raw with nothing on it. Alright, so this is what it looks like raw. And then so what I did was I just dragged it all the way down beneath all these layers here, and I kind of put a little border around it just to make it a bit more visible, and also added some mixed media shit. So I got this little gun texture that I have in the pack, just put there just to get the kind of rips in. I got a rip effect, like you can see the little shadow there. Got some glows and another rip effect like that. So yeah, that's basically it for that. If you guys want me to do a full cover art breakdown on this, let me know, I'll definitely do that. And yeah, make sure you guys go down below, cop the mixed media pack. If you guys do want to join the Discord, we're gonna be doing like crave wars and shit, like we're gonna be doing cover art, you know, wars for cash, and yeah, it's gonna be fire. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys do leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, peace.